Let's spend the next few minutes talking about how to add custom EAs to MT4. The first step is to prepare your platform to accept custom expert advisors. Go to Tools and then select Options. Click on the Expert Advisors tab and check and uncheck your boxes to match mine. These settings will be compatible with most of the EAs you will find online or that you code yourself. Click OK and then close out your platform. Each time you want to install a new EA, you need to make sure MT4 is closed. In general, expert advisors are distributed in two forms: either a commercial product that you have purchased online, or as standalone files that you've either created yourself or have downloaded for free from a public source. Commercial EAs are easier to install because normally they are an executable file that installs the EA directly onto your platform automatically. My first example will show you how this will work. I have already downloaded my sample EA and have placed the exe executable file onto my desktop. From here, I double-click on the icon and follow the instructions. Once the process is complete, I should see my new EA listed on the platform. From here, you can add your new expert advisor to your charts just like any other expert advisor. It's a pretty simple process when your EA has an executable file. But let's take a look at an example where the EA you downloaded is a standalone file or has multiple files. I've already downloaded a custom EA and have put the files onto my desktop. One file is an ex4 file and the other is a DLL library file. We will need to put both these files in the correct place in order for my EA to run properly. Let me show you how this is done. First, make sure your MT4 platform is completely closed. Next, open your My Computer folder and click on your local disk. From here, click on Program Files, FXEM MetaTrader 4, and then Experts. Click and drag the ex4 or the MQ4 file into the Experts folder. Then, click and drag the DLL file into the Libraries folder. We should now be good to go. Open up MT4 and you should now see your new custom EA listed under Expert Advisors. You can add your new expert advisor to your charts just like any other EA.